Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for clicking into my video. So I've done a video on this wig before, and I will leave it in the cards up in the corner. So make sure you check out that video. But I really enjoyed this wig, the way that it came. The roots was fine with me at first, and then I started thinking about like, oh, I just want to possibly do some darker roots. So in this video, I am showing you how to add darker roots to a highlighted blonde wig. And one of the most important things in this video that you should take away is how to add color to your frontal without getting any stains. So the first technique is to add Got To Be freeze spray to the freeze spray to the frontal. One of the tips that I did learn from doing this is, okay, so you definitely want to make sure it's coated. Make sure you get the full frontal coated with the Got To Be glue spray. But one thing is, I would definitely the next time go in and put Vaseline on the frontal first before spraying, because what I did notice is the freeze spray got onto the hair. So even though I put the dye all the way to the root of the frontal, it still didn't dye completely because that freeze spray was keeping it from dyeing. So yeah, so that's one good tip for you guys. And in this video, the color that I'm using is from Revlon. I got that from Walmart for about $2 or $3. It is the color dark soft brown, I believe. It is so simple. I mean, it's just easy to apply, easy to get the dye ready and prepared, because everything is in the box. You don't have to buy anything additional. So yeah, I just keep on mixing it up until it's like a light brownish tannish color. Now the way that I go through and add color to my frontal without getting any dye on the frontal is I use a mascara spoolie. I have been using a mascara spoolie for years now, and I absolutely love using it because it gets to the very root of that frontal or closure without getting any product on the frontal at all. No product on the lace. And it grabs all those little fine hairs. All you have to do is just comb it through, just like you're putting on mascara. So I definitely do like this. And then I also use the technique of using like a comb. So you just use like a rat tail comb or a fine tooth comb, and you just comb it through. Now, one good thing about using a comb is you can actually comb the product all the way throughout the hair. So if you're missing any areas, like any strands or whatever, the comb would definitely get the product through. So that is a good technique. But out of both of those, I would say definitely I like to use the spoolie the most. And when I go through and paint on this dye on the hair, I do make sure I do the under layer of the hair as well as the top layer, just to make sure I'm not missing any gaps. But yeah, that's all I do to make sure I don't get any product on my lace. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching this, and then I'll check back in with you.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. see. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So once you have fully saturated the wig, the frontal, this is what it should look like. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I definitely wanted to come in and let you guys know I am completed with that frontal part. I make sure that I put the brown on all of the frontal. You can come down as much as you need to, however you like it. I wanted my roots to be a little bit, I want it to appear like it's been grown out a little bit more. So what I'm doing now is just putting that brown dye on the tracks that's located right behind the frontal, because I just want to make sure that it blends in properly once I put the hair from the frontal over those tracks. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing here, just so it can blend. I'm not going to take it throughout the whole wig. I feel like that's not necessary because I'm not going to be showing any of the hair that's basically after this first track. So yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys find this very informative. It's something so simple and easy to achieve, and I just wanted to share with you guys, even though I know it's probably a ton of videos on YouTube about this already, but I definitely wanted to do this to my wig, and I wanted to show you what I accomplished with that wig that I did the video on previously. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next one. This is the final result of the dyeing process. I didn't apply the wig because you guys have already seen how it looks on. But if you haven't, make sure you check out my video. I will make sure that I tag it in the description box. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Oh, and as you can see here, there is no dye on the frontal, so the freeze spray definitely worked. But like I said, I am going to try the Vaseline on the frontal and see how that goes, because I think it will have a better outcome.